Hi, I bet you didn't know about these 10 crazy facts about animals. Stick around until the end, because there's one fact that'll blow your mind. Like seriously, you won't believe it. Also, stick around until the end if you want to see one of the cutest animals in the world. Number 10. Angry bees don't buzz. Now, bees are angry, especially when you disturb their nest. They show aggression by opening their mouth and showing their stinger. They don't actually buzz when they're angry. In fact, they stop making any noise at all. That means when a bee stops buzzing and opens its mouth, you should run away fast. Bees usually only sting when they feel threatened. But if you see an angry bee, don't get near it. It'll sting you without even touching you. Number 9. Giraffes don't need to drink water. Nope, giraffes don't need to drink water to survive. They get almost all the water they need from the plants they eat. For example, acacia leaves have around 80% water. Plus, giraffes can go without water for a long time, like up to 2 weeks, and they can also survive with less water than other animals. They lose less water when they pee and sweat less. Their bodies are designed to handle the heat and they sleep during the hottest parts of the day. Number 8. Ants have superhuman strength. Ants might be tiny, but they're stronger than you think. If you consider their size, they can lift objects that weigh up to 50 times as much as they do. Imagine lifting a full school bus, and they don't even break a sweat. Ants use their strength to move food, build their homes, and protect their colony. Different ants have different abilities, but they're all pretty darn strong. Number 7. Polar bears are only around because of climate change. That's right, polar bears didn't exist 100 years ago. Climate change made it possible for polar bears to evolve. When the climate started getting warmer, new genes appeared in polar bear DNA, making them better hunters. These genes helped them swim faster to catch seals, which are their favorite food, and they also developed a thick layer of blubber to keep warm in cold waters. But sadly, climate change is also the reason they're going extinct. Global warming melts the ice they need to hunt and raises sea levels, destroying their homes. Number 6. Animals use tools. Animals like chimpanzees, dolphins, and crows use tools. Chimpanzees use sticks to fish for termites. Dolphins use sponges to protect their nose while searching for fish. Crows use sticks to get food out of hard-to-reach places, and they pass down this knowledge to their kids. But not all animals are tool users. Birds that don't use tools lay eggs with holes punched in them. Scientists think animals that use tools are smarter and learn more from watching others. Number 5. In France, there's a cave full of dinosaur bones. It's called the Dinosaur Cave, and it's in the south of France. The cave was discovered in 1909 and has over 150 fossils from the Jurassic period. One of the coolest finds is a 200-year-old skull that could be from the oldest known relative of modern birds. What's amazing is that these dinosaurs lived in a shallow sea that covered much of southern Europe. Fossils tell us that a huge earthquake shook Europe 150 million years ago, forming the Pyrenees Mountains and causing tsunamis that reached the dinosaur cave. That's why we found marine reptiles and fish bones there. Number 4. The world record for most balls held in a cat's mouth is 9. This record was set in the UK in 2013 by a tabby cat named Kizzy. She was a normal house cat until she turned 10 years old and suddenly developed a talent for holding balls in her mouth. After setting the world record, Kizzy retired and now enjoys a peaceful life with her owner. Number 3. Some fish can fly. Yep, flying fish can fly. They jump out of the water and glide through the air using their fins to steer. They can also fly underwater. They swim fast and bend their bodies to make a big S shape. This lets them soar underwater. They can even fly over land. One fish flew 400 meters through the air, which is like jumping over 10 cars parked side by side. Flying fish are amazing swimmers, and they use their fins to control where they go. When they jump out of the water, they spread their fins wide to help them balance. On the ground, they look like birds. In the water, they're slippery and hard to catch. Number 2. The deadliest animal on Earth. That title goes to the mosquito. Mosquitoes kill more people than any other animal, including humans. Every year, mosquitoes cause about 700,000 deaths worldwide. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. But it's not just their bites that hurt us. They also spread deadly diseases. In 2019, mosquitoes were responsible for 8% of all deaths in Africa. That's more than war, murder, and natural disasters combined. To prevent mosquito bites, use insect repellent, wear long clothes when outside, and sleep under a mosquito net. It's scary, but protecting yourself from mosquitoes could save your life. Number 1. Tiny frog can punch harder than a heavyweight boxer. The scrawny little frog? It looks like a regular little frog, but it can punch way harder than heavyweight boxers. The itsy bitsy frog has a secret superpower. It can punch 300 times its body weight. That's like a 150-pound person punching the same force as 23 Mike Tyson. The secret is its sticky tongue. The frog uses its tongue to snag tasty treats. It shoots its tongue out super fast and slurps up its dinner. It can snap its tongue 300 times a second. That's 10 times faster than the blink of an eye. But don't get the wrong idea. The frog isn't trying to be a boxer. It just wants to find a good meal. That's it for today. If you liked the video, hit that like button and let us know in the comments section what you think. If you're new here, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.